In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to simplify paths and objects within Adobe Illustrator to optimize your design workflow and make your graphics easier to manage. If you've ever found yourself dealing with a complex path or object and wondered how to make it more manageable without losing the essence of your design, this is the place for you. Let's dive in. To begin, you want to select the object or the path you need to simplify. You can easily do this by using either the Selection tool or the Direct Selection tool. Both options allow you to highlight the target path or object that needs refinement, setting you up for the next steps. Once you have your design selected, navigate to the menu at the top of the application. You'll want to follow this path: Object, then Path, and finally, select Simplify. When you click on Simplify, you'll see a dialog box appear with several options to explore. This Simplify dialog box is your gateway to streamlining your design. In this window, you'll find a slider, often labeled something like Reduce Anchor Points. This tool is critical because it gives you control over how many anchor points you want to keep or eliminate. Fewer anchor points can mean a cleaner and faster rendering graphic, but might also result in some loss of detailed shapes. Now, to ensure you're achieving the perfect balance between simplification and accuracy, take advantage of the optional advanced controls. These include settings such as curve precision, angle threshold, and straight lines. These additional options offer valuable customization, allowing you to fine-tune how Illustrator simplifies curves and angles in your design. Crucially, there's a preview checkbox that you should use. This functionality enables you to see a live comparison between your original path and the effect of the current simplification settings. As you adjust the slider or any advanced settings, keep an eye on the preview to ensure your design retains its intended look. When adjusting the slider, be mindful of moving toward minimum anchor points if you're aiming to significantly reduce the complexity of the path. Be aware, though, that this might lead to some deviation from the original shape. Conversely, sliding towards maximum anchor points offers more fidelity to the original design, but will result in fewer simplifications. Once you've found the sweet spot that balances simplicity with accuracy, click OK to apply these changes. Your design should now be a more streamlined version of its former self. Keep in mind, even after simplifying, you still have the flexibility to go back and make detailed adjustments. You can further refine individual anchor points using the Direct Selection tool. Additionally, the Smooth tool is available if you find any areas that need a little extra finesse. And there you have it. By following these steps, your path and object simplifications in Adobe Illustrator will be both effective and efficient, helping to maintain the integrity of your designs without the unnecessary clutter. Enjoy creating cleaner, more efficient graphics.